Wake up, Emily. Today is your first college day.
Mom, this alarm breaks my dream, and I feel upset.
I know, sweetie, but it's time.
Okay, Mom. Oh no, it is 7:30. I will be late.
Get ready fast, but keep your mind calm, Emily.
Oh no, I must be fast. I cannot be late today.
Wear your college dress. I kept it ready for you.
You will look very beautiful in it, my dear Emily. I must be quick, or I will be late.
You're doing fine, honey. Just breathe.
Thanks, Mom. Almost done. I must get ready fast, or I will be late. I am very hungry, and I need breakfast, or my day feels bad.
Good morning, Emily. Sit down and eat breakfast calmly. Sometimes hurry can cause problems, so take it easy.
I love Mom's cooking. It tastes so good. Thank you, Mom. This breakfast makes me feel better. Eat well, Emily. You need energy for your first day.
Emily, relax a little. You will do great today. After that, finish in 2 minutes, then we leave together.
Oh no, where is my ID card? I cannot see it. Check your bag slowly. It must be inside somewhere.
Then look in the small zipper too. You used it earlier.
Don't panic, Emily. Just check one pocket at a time.
Dad, my ID card is here. I found it now.
Goodbye, Emma. We should go now. I have a meeting.
Take this water bottle, then we leave, and stay calm. Mom, I will drink this water, and I will stay calm. I am rushing to the door because I hate being late.
You are doing very well, Emily, so relax a little.
Mom, I feel nervous, but I will try to stay calm. Dad, please drive faster. I do not want to be late.
I will try, but I must drive safe in traffic. This traffic is not moving, and we must stay patient.
I will be late for sure, and I do not want that. I do not want to be late on my first day. My phone battery is low, and I feel more worried now.
Stay calm, Emily. We will reach, and you will be fine.
Good luck, Emily. You will do great on your first day.
We have arrived. Emily, this is your college in front.
Yes, Dad. I am so happy we reached on time.
Good luck and goodbye, Emily. I hope your first day goes well.
Here is my ID card. I am ready for the check. Are you new too? I feel very nervous today.
I am very nervous too. I do not want to be late.
Yes, first day feels scary, but we will be fine. What is your name? I want to know you.
My name is Ryan. Let's go to class now.
This campus has many paths, and I feel a bit confused. Excuse me, I cannot find my classroom. Can you help me?
Give me your card. I will check and tell you.
Okay, here is my card. Please help me quickly.
Your class is in room 204 in building B.
Thank you. I will go there now with my friend. Let's follow them, they look sure. And we need room 204.
I found the class fast because you asked. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ryan. Let's keep walking to room 204. We are finally inside the classroom, Ryan. We made it.
Yes, Emily, we did it, and we are on time.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to college. Please sit comfortably today. My name is Miss Carter, and I will teach this class. First, please keep your phone silent and listen carefully each day. If you feel nervous, it is normal because this is new. You can ask questions anytime, and I will help you kindly. Now write your name, your hobby, and one goal for this class. Then find a partner and share your paper for 1 minute.
I will write my name, my hobby, and my goal now.
I will be your partner, and we can share our papers.
My hobbies are reading books and taking calm walks. I also like simple drawing and listening to soft music. Today's first class was very good, and I enjoyed it.
Yes, I enjoyed it too, and I feel more relaxed now.
I was nervous before, but now I feel much better.
Tomorrow will feel easier, because we know the way now.
My phone turned off, and Mom or Dad may worry.
We can charge it soon. Let's find a charging place. Excuse me, can we charge a phone here, please?
My phone is off. I need it for my family.
Sorry, we do not have a charging point here.
Okay, thank you. We will look somewhere else now.
Oh no, my parents may call, and my phone is off. Emily, please answer me. I want to hear you now. Emily, please call me soon because I am very worried.
Let's go to the library. Maybe we can get help there.
Yes, Ryan, please. I need to charge my phone soon. Excuse me, is there a charging spot here for my phone?
Her phone is off, and her parents may worry today.
I'm sorry, but charging devices is not allowed here.
Oh, but my phone is almost dead.
We'll find a cafe or something. It is break time now, so we can go home.
Yes, but my parents may call and I feel worried.
Use my phone to call your mom, Emily, please.
I do not have her number and I feel scared.
You should remember important numbers, so you can call in trouble.
You are right. I will save them and memorize them too.
Let's visit the library quickly. Maybe they can help us.
Yes, Ryan, I must contact my mom. I feel worried. Wait, I found a small note. My mom's number is here.
Great, call her now and tell her you are safe.
I will. Thank you.
Mom, I am safe. My phone battery is dead now. I will reach home soon. Please do not worry today. Emily, I am relieved. Please come home safely soon.
I will book a taxi for you, so you go safely.
Thank you, Ryan. I will go home soon and rest. Bye, Ryan!
Take care, Emily. Emily, tell us about your first day.
Dad, it was a big day, and I had many problems.
I saw you panic, and you rushed without thinking calmly.
Then I ran fast, and I forgot to stay calm.
At the gate, I could not find my ID card. Then you remembered the tiny zipper.
And you solved it. I was proud, but your face looked scared and funny.
Then I was shaking, because the line was moving fast. I went to reception, and the staff checked my card. She told me room 204, and I felt relief.
Good, asking for help saves time and saves stress.
Later, I reached class, and the first lesson was good. Then my phone showed shutdown, and it turned off.
I called you many times and I felt very tense. I found your number on a note and I called you.
Thank you, but save our numbers and charge your phone daily.
From tomorrow, keep a charger and leave home earlier. And I will set your alarm so you wake on time.
Thank you all, I learned today and I feel stronger.
Then sleep early and tomorrow will feel much easier.
If you enjoyed our story, please like and subscribe today.
Comment your first day story and tell us your feelings.
Then watch the next video and learn simple English with us.
Thank you for watching and please stay safe and calm. See you next time.
Goodbye and take care, everyone.